Okay, sorry about that. So we're just going to use this one sentiment here, Season's Greetings. You can see that this has been getting a lot of use. Now I have a piece of cardstock. This is very vanilla, and it measures 3 inches wide by 3/4 inch high. And I'm just getting out my stamp mat because this is a photopolymer stamp and I want to make sure I get a good impression. So this is the beautiful Mossy Meadow ink that coordinates perfectly with the Designer Series paper and that cardstock, so everything matches perfectly. And I'm just going to get that right, like so. Awesome. And I know, don't use the word awesome, it's too overused, but for lack of a better word. And now this is a sponge dauber, and it's just this cute little holder that fits on your finger with a little sponge applicator. And all I'm going to do here is tap it gently on the ink pad, and then I'm just going to go around the edges like so. And I think it just kind of gives it a nice finished look, so it's not quite such a raw edge. And I'm going to let a little bit of that ink get on the top of the sentiment as well, so I get a little kind of smudgy edge look, which I like. And that's it, folks. That's as easy as it gets. So back to our card. I'm also going to use these Stampin' Dimensionals. And what these do is to lift the sentiment slightly above the surface of the card. Basically, they're these little foam pads, and I'm just going to pop a couple of them on there. There's one, two. I'm going to place that down here, like so. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this little strap You see how it just blends right into the background of the plaid? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate that in a spot on the card so that the ornament is positioned nicely. So it's not too close to the top and it's not too close to the sentiment. Alright, and to do that, to attach it, I'm just going to put a tiny bit of glue on the two ends. Just like so, and a little bit of seepage there. Get my tissue. And finally, Get that lined up so you have this beautiful multi-layered effect with these different mats around the edges. It looks so beautiful. And the card just feels good because it has a certain amount of weight to it that makes it feel like it's a good quality card, which of course it is. And then I'm just going to slip this under that strap, like so. And there's our card. So while I have my paints out, I'm just going to put a couple of extra touches on that because I want to get those little details on the berries. That's a little too big. No problem. Just do it again. Okay. And also get some nice shadow in there. And finally, the last thing I want to do is just to indicate a couple of veins on these leaves. And there you have it. That's this card done. So, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you're inspired to go out and make some beautiful handmade Christmas cards for the people that you love. And have fun. See you next time. Thanks for watching.